Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix display black and white in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, turn off sleep mode. Open settings, scroll down, click on battery, click on background usage limits. Now turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off sleep mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off color adjustment. Open settings, scroll down, click on wallpaper and style, click on color palette, and if you want to turn off color adjustment, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off color adjustment from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off dark mode. Open settings, scroll down, click on display, click on dark mode setting. Now turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off dark mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, scroll down, click on factory data reset, scroll down, click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, video, picture, documents, contact will be erased, delete or reset from your phone. This is how you can fix display black and white in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.